sometimes it's not about what you see, it's about what you feel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this piece, I layered dark blue, green, white, sky blue, and metallic gold into a single cup, each color stacking like layer of ancient ice. I used the ring pour technique, slowly pouring the paint in a circular motion onto the canvas, letting gravity and flow create natural rings and an unexpected movement. Watch closely, the paint doesn't follow a plan, it finds one. This is what trust looks like in motion. As I tilt the canvas, the colors glide and blend effortlessly, stretching across the surface with elegance and drama. The metallics shine through the cooler tones, giving the piece an otherworldly depth, like staring into a glacial river with hints of gold beneath the surface. This paint isn't about finding meaning. It's about remembering how it feels to simply be, to let the colors carry you somewhere unspoken. What does this piece stir in you? If you felt transported even just for a moment, give this video a like and subscribe for more hypnotic pours. This is more than paint. This is emotion in motion. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay creative.